Hi, my name is Rob. I'm a registered physiotherapist at PhysioWorks, located in beautiful Kitsilano, Vancouver. We see a lot of running injuries here in our clinics, and often a question I field is about minimalistic running. So today I'm here to talk about why we use minimalistic running and what to look for in a minimalistic shoe. So this is your typical running shoe. I'm going to talk about a few characteristics that we'll compare to a minimalistic shoe later. So the first thing you should look at is the weight of the shoe. A typical minimalistic shoe will be about 7 ounces or 200 grams or less. Another factor you want to look at is the heel stack, so the height of the heel itself. So about a 15 millimeter or less, where I would start to classify it as a minimalistic shoe. The other factor is the drop itself. So the drop is the differential between the heel and the forefoot or the toe. So the higher the differential between the heel and the toe would mean a more of a classic typical shoe. So a minimalistic shoe will have roughly 5 millimeters or less difference between the heel and the forefoot itself. Now, the flexibility is another issue. So the more motion control a shoe has, the stiffer it'll be. So there's the longitudinal stiffness. As you can see, this one that doesn't have too much bend, and the torsional stiffness. Whereas a minimalistic shoe will be very flexible and easy to bend. So this one here is a very light minimalistic shoe. It's very flexible. You can fold it over, you can twist it. It has a very small heel stack, and the differential between the forefoot and the heel is very small. So this is an extreme shoe, minimalistic shoe, not as extreme as the Vibram Fine Bigger Toes that people ask about, but this would be classified as one of the lightest minimalistic shoes on the market. Now, why would you go minimalistic shoe? Well, there are certain factors. One, energy consumption. The lighter your shoe, the more efficient runner you're going to be. You're going to use less energy, less oxygen to run your specific distances. It's going to allow you to feel the ground. If you wear a big bulky shoe with a lot of cushioning, your body's just not going to sense the ground. So to maximize your own body's impact moderation ability, you should go with a smaller, lighter shoe where you feel the ground. If you do decide to change over to a minimalistic shoe, there are certain things that you should be careful of. One, your training intensity. First, you've got to break in the shoe, make sure you reduce your intensity, frequency, and speed. Secondly, listen to your feet. Don't think you can train in the same amount of mileage as you did with your previous shoe. As long as you watch for those factors, you should be safely able to transfer your shoe without any injury.